Hey team, I'm up here at SeaWorld on the Gold Coast. This is day one of the Back in Motion Annual Directors Conference, and I'm already losing my voice, but just wanted to squeeze out a quick 1 minute conviction for you. And we're up here talking about the theme of unity. I've spoken to this in previous podcasts, but I want to give you a slightly different angle today on unity. You've heard of false humility. I actually think there's such a thing as false unity. That is when behaviours of people in teams give the impression that they're united, but actually it's not true, it's not sincere. And one of the biggest killers of unity, or what gives this impression of false unity, is apathy. Apathy is that low care factor where people just aren't contributing to the life of the team with enthusiasm and authenticity. And it makes me laugh every time I hear it. In America, they surveyed their people and they said, what do you think Americans' number one problem is? Apathy or ignorance? And 92% said, I don't know and I don't care. And it just is so telling. See, apathy, it is insidious. It erodes the culture of your team. And because people aren't detracting or overtly objecting to the relationships and to the activities, it gives an impression that they're aligned on purpose. But actually, it's false unity. And so I want you to guard against apathy in your teams. Show care, show sincerity, show a want factor, show a commitment to being a positive influence, not being neutral, and of course, not being a detractor. And you'll be on that road one step further towards having a united team. There's my 1 minute conviction today from SeaWorld. I hope you guys have a great day.